How to set Spotify as default music player on iPhone. While iPhones don't have a direct setting to make Spotify your default music app, Siri can learn your preference over time. To start, say something like, "Hey Siri, play music on Spotify." Siri will ask which app you want to use the first time you make this request. Just choose Spotify. After that, Siri will typically remember your choice and continue using Spotify for future music commands. Keep in mind this isn't a permanent system-wide default, but as long as you keep saying on Spotify or use it regularly with Siri, it will become your go-to app for music. Just be sure the Spotify app is installed and updated, and Siri is enabled in your settings. This way, you can enjoy a smoother, more personalized voice control experience with your iPhone. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.